Hello, beautiful people. How are you? I believe all of you are doing well. This is day 6 of learning a new English word. Let's see whether you are able to guess today's word. Some hints: Adolf Hitler, Pol Pot, Joseph Stalin, Attila the Hun, Timur are some examples of how ruthless rulers who used unlimited power at their disposal to crush their opponents. Today's word stands for such unjust and cruel use of power. Another hint: our word of the day is a noun. The famous philosopher Plato said that democracy is born from it and it arises out of democracy. So, are you able to guess the word? The word is derived from the Latin word, and there is also a similar Greek word, tyrannia, for the rule of an illegitimate ruler, which also means absolute power. Tyrannia also means absolute power. So, can you now guess the word of the day? Our English word of the day is tyranny. One of my favorite quotes by one of the founding fathers of the USA, Thomas Jefferson. All tyranny needs to gain a foothold is for people of good conscience to remain silent. It is used as a noun and its meaning is cruel or unjust use of power by a ruler or a small group of people. It can also mean a situation in which someone or something controls how you are able to live in an unfair way. Its synonyms are autocracy, dictatorship, authoritarianism, and oppression. Its antonyms, near antonyms, are democracy and freedom. Some related words: tyrannize is a verb form of tyranny, and tyrannical is an adjective form of tyranny. Tyrant is a related noun which means dictator, bully, or despot. Some examples: a tyrant controls the people by using force and fear as weapons. But a time comes when the people revolt and the tyranny ends. Another example: women everywhere has to fight against the tyranny of male privilege and domesticity, especially in a patriarchal society. Where the law ends, tyranny begins. Another example: the tyranny of some is possible only through the cowardice of others. The road to tyranny begins with the destruction of truth. So, learners, make sentences using today's word and write in comment box below. Stay healthy, keep learning, best wishes. Thank you and have a great life ahead.